Buenos días. Hace frío y está nevando. So it's cold and snowing out at school today. I tried to open up the blinds here behind me, but the bright light coming in doesn't really like to. The camera doesn't like it, I guess. So took a picture here for you so you can see I got a little bit of snow up here. Está nevando, nieva. It's snowing. Hay nieve. There's snow. But anyway, that's not what this video is for. In this video, I'm going to be taking a Spanish 2 quiz. So this is while this is primarily for my students, if you are learning any of these concepts, this could also be quite useful to you. The concepts that are on this quiz are demonstrative adjectives, demonstrative pronouns, the preterite Sandal verbs, and the present tense of Saber versus Conocer. There's some links on the screen to the videos on those topics. If you have not yet learned those, or if you were absent in one of my classes, you can go back, review the videos, and then come back. This is going to be pretty much the exact same quiz that I'll be giving my students in class this week. And those of them that follow me on Twitter or watch my YouTube videos, they get a little bit of a bonus. So if you want to take this quiz with me, there's a link in the description of my video. Go to that link and you can print off the quiz, and then you can, if you want to, you can either take it or you can just wait. And I'm going to start going over the answers to the quiz pretty much right now. So pause the video if you want to do it. Otherwise, here comes some answers. So part one, we're looking at the demonstrative adjectives and pronouns. These are words like these, that, those. Really got to keep in mind gender, making sure they match up masculine, feminine, that kind of stuff, plurality or not. So number one, you got tú conoces. So you know, or you're familiar with the painting. Notice that pintura, even if you didn't know that word, you could probably guess that it's going to be feminine. So I'm going to pick the feminine one, esta, so you know this painting. Number two, a mí me gusta, so I like that mountain or this mountain in the distance. So the one of those words, aquella and esta, they both match in gender, but we want the one that refers to something that's further away. Esta is something that's close by, meaning this mountain. Aquella is that, like over there. So it's a distance. We're going to pick the one that goes far away, aquella. Number three, queremos, so we want these reports. Notice that reports is plural, so that's an easy choice, esos. Number four, el señor Yankovic, I don't know who that is. Pide, so he asks for the camera. Cámara is feminine, so we're going to pick esta. Number five, Nick, ¿quieres ir a este restaurante o aquel? So do you want to go to this restaurant or that one? Esta immediately cannot work because it's feminine and restaurant is masculine, so we're going to pick aquel. And in that answer, we're using a demonstrative pronoun rather than an adjective. All right, part two, having my students write sentences for these ones so they can show me that they understand what the verb means. Obviously, you don't have to. Maybe you just want to get sure you get the conjugation down, but these are Sandal verbs and their preterite. I'll give you some of my possible answers, okay? So, uno, compitieron en un concurso de baile. Dos, prefirieron acampar con los jaguares. Tres, desafortunadamente, el gato murió recientemente. Cuatro, pidió el batido de atún. 5. Repitió las instrucciones. 6. Pidieron la leche con jugo de uvas. 7. Pedí los tostones. 8. Durmieron en la caja. Y 9. Dormí en mi cuarto. 10. Pedimos la sopa fría. So those are all Sandal verbs, but keep in mind that when you're conjugating these verbs in the preterite, the only time you have to have the word change is on the bottom two forms. So the rest of the forms just follow regular ER or IR verb pattern. And then, what's last? So, saber and conocer. So we're looking at the difference. Remember that saber is to know facts, information, how to do things. Conocer is for everything else, knowing people, places, animals, stuff like that. So number one, ellos conocen muy bien a tu madre. So they know your mom really well. Dos, Nick sabe hacer vestidos rosados. So he knows how to make pink dresses. Tres, Nick y yo sabemos cuándo es la fiesta. So we know when the party is. Cuatro, yo conozco la ciudad de Boise, Idaho. So I'm familiar with the city. Y cinco, tú conoces al presidente del Congo. So you're familiar with the president of the Congo. That is pretty much it for this video. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching.